Hi everybody, it's Tina Shaw, and we are going to work on our third card for the week, and this is the card club class that is for May 11th, 2020. And for this card, again, I chose the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. I just love it. I think, I don't know. They have so many beautiful Designer Series paper packs with Stampin' Up! But I like this because you can use it for other cards too, you know, not just using the birds. But for some reason, I really like the birds out of there. So this card, here's the finish card, and you can see I've sponged around around the cardstocks and the designer paper, and even on the birds. I hit the birds a little bit with it too. So, and I used crumb cake as my card base, early espresso as my first layer, and then the little bird cages, which is the Bird Ballad designer paper. So let's get started on our card. Okay, so here is the card base. And let's just hit it real quick here with the bone folder and get that nice and creased. And then here's our first layer. And then here is the DSP. And since I have no ribbons tied around this one, I can go ahead and use my adhesive and just put these two together like this. Now again, for some reason this week I just wanted to have all the tiny little frames. I don't know why I get on doing something a certain way and then that's how I do it. So here is the this is the hexagon stitch dies. And I forget what size this one was. You can use whatever size you want. But I took my crumb cake stamp pad and my sponge. And I just went around the edges of this piece. Sponging is kind of fun. I think it just adds a little bit of color to whatever you're using. I think it makes it look, well, shaded, but it also makes it distressed or kind of an antique feeling to it. So I also did it on the designer paper. See the difference there? See, now it looks kind of aged. All the way around. And then I find when I get finished that my fingers and my fingernails have whatever color I've just sponged. So there we go. And oh, I also did around my card base, just lightly. Just your edges are going to show anyway on this one. I don't have it quite perfect. Surprise, surprise. Okay. That's good enough. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to use my dimensionals and pop this up onto the card base. Oops. Doesn't want to stay here. Come apart. Okay, and then just put these on the corners. One in the middle. And then just pull off the back. There we go. So sun is shining today on Saturday, thank goodness. Yesterday was so dreary. And today is just a better day, but it's still a little chilly out there. I think it's like 50. Okay, so there, I put that on there. Now I'm going to take my piece that I sponged, and I'm going to use my Early Espresso ink pad, and I'm just going to stamp on here, Hello Sunshine. Hello Sunshine is from Under My Umbrella set, and I think, what did I put on the inside? The world needs more of you on the inside, and then on the outside just Hello Sunshine. I just think that's kind of cute. So wipe this extra off so I don't get a mark. And just kind of over in the right side on the bottom half. And then set this over here. Okay. And then I'm going to take this piece and pop that one up as well. Okay, and I'm just going to, I don't know if I popped the other one up or not, but that's okay. We're popping this one up. And then I just tried to center it in the card, about like that. And now I'm going to take my bird piece, and I've already cut it out ahead of time because it takes a couple of minutes to fussy cut by hand. And so what I wanted to do is just add a little bit of the crumb cake on this too, especially to get the white pieces so they're not so bright. Okay, and then what I also like to do is to take my Winka Stella, which didn't want to open up there, and then I think I just want to dab it on my bird, just so he just shows up, he or she. Could be a girl, or it could be a baddie bird. I don't know. Here, could do a couple flowers too. You can do as much or as little as you want. There. Okay. So now I'm going to turn them over, and I'm going to add some dimensionals on here as well. Okay. Another one here. Okay. Pull off the backs. This card really goes together pretty quickly. Of course, using the designer series paper, you know, that helps out a lot as far as time-wise, that you miss out on all the stamping. So then you're just going to place this on your card wherever you think it looks good. I think it looks good right there. And then I'm going to bring in my bow maker. And then I'm using this pretty little lace. This is very vanilla, and it's called the Scalloped Lace Trim. And so, I forget, I cut it at 9.5 inches. So I'm just going to take it around twice, because I made this a double. And go like over and then under. Pull this over to the top and tie. Pull it nice and tight. Try to get it in the center. This one makes a really cute bow. Some ribbons make cuter bows than others, and this one's nice and flexible, so that's why it makes a really cute bow. Okay, so there's our bow. It's a cute little bow. Okay, and then I'm going to take my glue dots, and I'm just going to lift up a couple and put it on the back. On the back, yep. This side to be the back. And then I'm going to take that and put it down towards the bottom. All the bird and the flowers there. So that's like that. How cute is that? Spread your bow out. Okay. Then if you wanted to, again, you could use some rhinestones. This one, what are these from? I'll have to hunt these up. And then on the inside, I'm going to take my white card and I'm going to take the other stamp from this set. And it says, "The world needs more of you." Ink it up. That about right there. Oh, I did it in crumb cake, but that's fine. And then I'm going to take a bird stamp. And this, of course, is from Free as a Bird set. Oh, and that's where the world needs more of you. Is that what I did? Yeah, that's from the bird set too. I guess just the Hello Sunshine was from Under My Umbrella. Okay, so there's my inside. And then too, what would be really cute, since the rest of your card is sponge, you can go ahead and sponge this one too. Okay. You could even get all on the bird there if you wanted to. There, cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to put my Tombow on the back. Then put it on here. Center it in there. And there's my card. Okay, so now I'm going to use some champagne rhinestones to finish it off. And then I'm going to use my take your pick tool. And I just took a couple, put one here, one here, and then I just stuck another one over here. Actually, I don't know if I like that one. Well, I'm going to leave it now because I just tore them up. And I'll put one over here. I thought that needed one right there. Always lose this last one. Okay, there it is. So let me know how you like it and which one was your favorite this week. And for, like I said, this was for Card Club class this week. And next week we'll just have a regular card class kit. So you have a great rest of your day and keep safe. Thank you.